Hello everyone. Today we are carrying on with our chronological report about the first moon landing. Now, watching this video, you should already have an introduction paragraph. You should have a paragraph all about what happened before the first moon landing. And if you watched yesterday's live stream, you should have, you should have a paragraph right at the very end that is all about space today. So what's happening now with space and what is going to happen in the future. Today's paragraph is going to be the main one, the big chunk, the one that you write the most for, and that is the moon landing. So you will start this paragraph with a date, the date that the moon landing took place, introduce the astronauts, and then take me through step by step in chronological order what happened on the day of the first moon landing. Now, if you need a refresher, you can go back to my report, read through that, go back to Google, find any other facts or information that you feel that you might need. And also on YouTube, there's lots of videos about the first moon landing, so you can watch those. In addition to that, on the 24-hour live stream, I talked about the first moon landing, and I spoke about landing on the moon a little bit in the live stream before. The paragraph is going to be called, with a subheading, the first moon landing. And then you start. Key thing, dates, 1969. I would like you to try and find the day and the exact time of the launch if possible. You can start a sentence with dates and with times. Also using those time conjunctions first, then next, after that, finally. I want you to tell me the whole story up until the point that they're about to leave the moon. Okay? Some key events just to get you going. It took 4 days to get there. They landed in the Sea of Tranquility. Michael Collins had to stay orbiting the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to stand on the moon. He said that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. They collected moon dust, did experiments, etc. You fill it with as much information as you can and add it after the before the moon landing paragraph, but before the paragraph we did in the live session. Give it a go. Use the resources that I've put up previously, use the videos that are there previously, and use Google to find all the information you need. Make sure it is completely factual and that you use those time conjunctions. One final thing is clarity. Make sure when you read the sentence out, they are very clear. The facts must be very clear and understandable for the reader. Give it a go. Add it on. I will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll be looking at the final paragraph before we do a neat write. Try your best. As ever, happy learning.